Hello everyone, BentlyK here. Welcome to my channel and welcome to today's video. Today's video is a Fun Friday video and we are going to be testing out something that I have wanted for a long time. Actually, I wanted the real one, the TYME iron. It's a twist iron, but I couldn't afford it. It was like $200. So I finally broke down and did a little research and found this one on Amazon. I don't know how much I paid. I think it was less than 50 bucks. It was like, I think it was like 39. I think I paid like $39 for it. I don't know. Anyways, this is what it looks like. I just turned it on. It's supposed to heat up really fast. There's supposed to be a way to make it get hotter, but it's on the hottest one. Oh, there. I want it on the second to the hottest one because my hair is pretty fuzzy. So anyway, I'm just going to show you what it comes with, and then I'm going to show you, I've watched a bunch of videos. They were all using the TYME iron, which is the expensive one, but I think they're going to work just fine with this too. Anyways, it comes with this bag. I kind of wanted the rubber thing, but I looked at so many before I bought it that I didn't pay attention when I got it, and I got one with didn't come with that rubber thing so you can put it away hot. But that's okay. No big deal. Right? And it came in this box. I don't know why I just opened the box. It's empty. It came with a glove. I'm not going to use that. And then it came with this twist styling iron directions, which I probably won't need because I've watched so many videos. So anyways, let's get this stuff out of the way. I'm going to take my hair down and separate it and brush it. It's very tangled because I haven't brushed it for 2 days. I don't brush my hair very often. I brush it right before I wash it, and then if I'm going to curl it or something, I have to brush it, but otherwise I don't, because it just breaks it. But it does get kind of a knot back here sometimes. And it always seems like I'm shedding a whole bunch, but it's really not, because you're supposed to lose like 100 hairs a day. And since I don't brush my hair, I don't lose that much. But then when I do brush my hair, it seems like I'm losing a lot more. But I know I'm really not. Okay. Now, let me brush this side a little bit. Okay, so we want this to go over here a little bit. There. That's a good enough part. Now, I'm going to do it in 4 sections. Okay, so I'm going to pull up half of my hair like this and get it up out of the way and see if I can figure this out, because I had to go watch another video because I tried it and it wasn't working for me. Anyway, let's get this out of the way like that. That's fine. And then I'm just going to pull it around front. Look at that. Stuff that one up there. Okay. And I want to work from the back to the front. And I know that if you use smaller pieces, it's supposed to work better. And you're supposed to go like this. So, I don't know how to hold it. If I go like this and then I turn it this way, is that right? Nope, it's wrong. Oh, it's not turned on anyways. So if I hold it like this, then I would be going against, no, that's right. No. I want the hair to go in there. Then go like that. I think that's right. Once it gets hot. It's not hot yet. Well, that one worked pretty good. Let's try another one from the bottom. I guess it's working. I don't know. Can you guys see it? There is a learning curve to it because I thought I had it before we even started and I didn't. I think I got too much. I know the slower you go, the more curl you get. That one didn't curl at all, did it? I mean, it looked like it was at the end. I think my hair's just too long. Because you're only supposed to have to go like a half a turn. That's a lot more than a half a turn. And I am getting a lump too. I think I got this one the first time. I don't really know how to twist it up like that. That's too much coordination for me. That's too little. What do you guys think? I feel like I'm not doing it right. I'm for sure turning it too much. Because she said half a turn. Or quarter turn. What do you guys think? Not so much.
Jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh. Jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh. Dashing through the Misfortune seemed his lot. We ran into a drifted bank, and there we got upside. Jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh. Jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh.
Well, it's not bad, but it's definitely not as curly as I wanted it. But maybe it will be with practice.
Deck the halls with boughs of holly, fa la 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 la. 'Tis the season to be jolly, fa la 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 la. Don we now our gay apparel, fa la 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 la. Troll the ancient Yuletide carol, fa la 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 la. Fast away the old year passes, fa la 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 la. Hail the new year, lads and lasses, fa la 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 la. Sing we joyous all together, fa la 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 la. Heedless of the wind and weather, fa la 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 la. Deck the halls with boughs of holly, fa la 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 la. 'Tis the season to be jolly, fa la 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 la. Don we now our gay apparel, fa la 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 la. Troll the ancient Yuletide carol, fa la 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 la. Fa la 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 la.
Yeah. I don't know, guys. Seems like it's lumpy. What do you guys think? I think there's a lot more curl on this side, so I'm a lot better at it over here. But I do like it. It's easy. It's just, it's difficult. It's difficult for this side because I'm still getting lumps, but I think that the lumps will go once I practiced for a while, because this was the first time I've ever used it. So I don't know, you guys tell me, what did you think of this gadget? I'm sure it's as good as the TYME one. It's just whether or not it's as good as I thought it was going to be. And it is curled, and I think this side looks really good. I just need to get better at this side. So anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'll let you know if I figured, actually you'll be able to tell because you'll see it in the videos when I finally figure out how to do it right. I can see a hair in my face. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe before you leave and hit that little notification bell so you're notified every time I upload a new video. Follow me on Twitter, Facebook, and Instagram. I love you guys. I appreciate you guys so much. Thank you for watching my videos, and let me know in the comments below what else you would like to see me try out for Fun Fridays. And I will see you in my next video. Mwah!